What's up guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we shall discuss about the recent updates in the CPen ecosystem. But before we move further, today is really a great day and I want to use this opportunity to wish my Muslim brothers and sisters a happy Eid Mubarak, and also my Christian family, I want to wish you all a happy Sunday. Now, today we shall discuss about the recent updates from the CPen core team. From the message you see on the screen now, it's trying to load. You discover the recent news from the CPen core team, and that news says it talks about the distribution of the CPen and also the token total supply. Now, from what we have here, they said, "Hey, CPen network community. The Binance Smart Chain wallet address submission is now closed and we are all set for the CPen token distribution starting March 30th, which is exactly today. So today marks the beginning of the CPen token distribution. Now, before we move further, there is something I want to point out here, because I discovered some persons were commenting about the last video that I dropped about CPen in this channel, about the wallet address to be used for the CPen token collection, and some persons were saying that using Bitmart is wrong. Now, in the Bitmart exchange, if you go to the sports section and click on the withdraw button, if you make use of your search bar and type for CPen, you discover that the CPen is already showing forth here in the Bitmart exchange already. All right. So there is no wrong you making use of your Bitmart BNB Smart Chain wallet address, and you can as well confirm your wallet address. This is my wallet address. All right. So if I go back here and I will check, and you see that the wallet address is the same. Okay, you can check that by viewing the initial and the last digits or letters of the address. Okay, so CPen is already showing forth here and it is built on Binance Smart Chain. Now, talking about the verification of your Bitmart exchange, it is not compulsory. You must not get verified before you can receive your token. Whether you are verified or not, definitely you are going to get your token. Now, if you come to this avatar section, which is a menu that will display your details, and you tap on your email address, you discover that here we have level 1 and level 2 verification. Now, I am in level 2, so I can enjoy all these. All right. So if I click on level 1, you see that here are the conditions that are things that you are eligible to do as one who is under the level 1 verification. Now, come to talk of the trading, the minimum or the maximum that you can withdraw daily is 0.5 BTC. For those who say that you cannot trade without having your account verified, it is false. You can actually trade, okay, whether your account is verified or not. 0.5 BTC is around 40 something thousand dollars. Okay, and you can imagine the CPen that will be distributed to you, will it amount up to such? Okay, so do not get yourself deceived. Okay, now the only thing you cannot do as one who is under level 1 identity verification level is, or status is, you can't do margin trading, you can't participate in the earning section, the launch pad, and you cannot do the vote listing. But here you can buy, you can sell your crypto, you can do your spot trading, which is what we are so much interested in. You can deposit. All right, you can as well go ahead and do futures trading. So I think once you have all this, you are good to go. So you do not need to worry. If you have linked to your Bitmart exchange, do not worry. You are on the right track. Of course, you've already known the eligibility criteria for the CPen airdrop, which is you complete your KYC, you submit your wallet address, and you have your CPen account or amount verified. Now, here it says that the total members that were qualified for the CPen token distribution, it's about 1 million, and the token supply is 3.3 billion. Okay, with 2 billion tokens mined by our amazing community. So we all as a community, we mined a total of 2 billion CPen. Okay, it says exact numbers will be shared post distribution. Okay, now here it says reminder, as of March 1st, we've switched from CPen mining to Ink mining. I believe you know that already. Users who joined afterwards will have Ink token. Thank you for your continued support. Stay tuned. So guys, we should anticipate the distribution of our tokens. If you have not gotten yours, you just have to be patient. The distribution already, just as they have said, has commenced today, being March 30th. So you should monitor your wallet to know when you receive yours. So from this message here, they have extended the deadline, which was supposed to end yesterday, being 29th, to today, being March 30th. So you still have today to submit your wallet address if you have not submitted that already. Okay, so go ahead and submit your wallet address if you have not submitted that. Now, for those who just joined, those who were not able to mine, you do not need to worry about the KYC, because they are going to, according to what they said earlier, they are going to open their portal for the KYC submission. All right, so you do not need to worry. Just keep on mining on daily basis, and also you make sure that you complete your given tasks. Just click on this section. You see the various tasks that are here. You make sure you complete all of them. Okay, if you refer anyone to mine CPen and you discover that the person is not always online, you make sure that you come to this section and you click on remind inactive, okay, to always ping them. That is, send them a kind of a notification. The system will do it automatically. Now here it says you have already sent a reminder to your team members in the last 8 hours. So it's done every 8 hours. Okay, so this will help you to alert your inactive members to log in and activate their mining session. Okay guys, this is all that we shall discuss in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.